Hello, my dears. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today, we read a new lesson of Beehive that is a truly beautiful mind. This lesson is about Albert Einstein. It is a short biography of his life. The story portrays the other side of his life that he concerns and promote human welfare. And that is the reason why the title of the story is A Truly Beautiful Mind. Here is a brief description about him. He was born on 14 March 1879 at Ulm, Germany, and died in the year 1955. He had a keen interest in physics and mathematics. For about 2.5 years, he could not speak, and when he did learn to speak, he uttered every word twice. His playmates called him Brother Boring, and his mother regarded him a freak because of the abnormally large size of his head. At school, his headmaster regarded him as stupid and good for nothing, but he proved them all wrong. At the age of 6, he learned to play the violin. He became a gifted violinist. At the age of 15, his family shifted to Munich. He didn't feel at ease with the strict regimentation of the school. Regimentation means order or discipline taken to an extreme. So he doesn't like the strict rules of the school and left it for good. Later on, for higher education, he joined the university at Zurich because the atmosphere there was more liberal to his new ideas and concepts. He showed more interest in physics and mathematics. He met a fellow student, Mileva Mary, at university, equally intelligent and clever. Later on, they married and had 2 sons, but unfortunately, their marriage did not survive and were divorced in 1919. After completing his education, Albert worked as a technical expert. Here he worked secretly on his idea on relativity. In 1915, he published his paper on special theory of relativity, followed by the world famous equation E equals to mc square. So, who created the E equals to mc square formula? Albert Einstein. Here, E represents energy, M mass, C speed of light. In 1915, he published his paper on general theory of relativity, which gave an absolutely new definition to concept of gravity. This theory made him famous figure. In 1919, during the solar eclipse, his theory came out to be accurate and revolutionized physics. In 1921, Einstein received the Nobel Prize in Physics, Quantum Theory of Light. In 1933, he emigrated to USA as Nazis had come to power in Germany. He didn't want his findings and research to be used for destruction. In 1938, when Germany discovered the principle of nuclear fission, he was the first person to write to the American president about the dangers of atomic bombs. Einstein's formula E equals to mc square was key in the United States developing the atomic bomb. In 1945, when America dropped the atomic bombs on Nagasaki and Hiroshima, he was deeply hurt and wrote to the United Nations for the formation of a world government to prevent such destruction. He spent his later days in politics advocating world peace and democracy. He died at the age of 76 in the year 1955. Hope you all have understood the chapter. Thank you.